Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to clear your off TikTok activity. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to go down. Under Content and Display, select Ads. Under your off TikTok activity, tap on Clear Activity. From the pop-up menu, tap Confirm. And the off TikTok clear activity request has been submitted. So in this way, you can clear your off TikTok activity. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.